Khureb BeRuakh, Sword of the Spirit, narrated and interpreted by Wendy.
Obadjehu, Obadiah. Chapter 1. The vision of Obadjehu. Thus saith Yehu Elohim concerning Adum. We have heard a rumor from Yahweh, and an ambassador is sent among the nations. Arise, and let us rise up against her in battle. Behold, I have made you small among the nations. You are greatly despised. The pride of your heart has deceived you. You will dwell in the clefts of the rock, whose habitation is high, who says in his heart, Who will bring me down to the ground? Although you exalt yourself like the eagle, and although you set your nest among the stars, I will bring you down, saith Yahweh. If thieves come to you, if robbers by night, how are you cut off? Would they not have stolen until they had enough? If the grape gatherers come to you, would they not leave some grapes? How are the things of Husheo searched out? How are his hidden things found? All the men of your confederacy have brought you even to the border. The men who were at peace with you have deceived you and prevailed against you. Those who eat your bread have laid a wound under you. There is no understanding in him. During that day will I not also destroy the wise men out of Adum, and understanding out of the mount of Husheo, saith Yahweh. And your mighty men, O Teman, will be dismayed until the end, so that every one of the mount of Husheo may be cut off by slaughter. For the shame of your violence against your brother Jacob will cover you, and you will be cut off forever. In the day that you stood on the other side, in the day that the nations were carried away captive, his forces and foreigners entered into his gates, and cast lots upon Yerushalayim. Even you were like them. However, you should not have looked on the day of your brother, during the day that he became a foreigner, nor should you have rejoiced over the children of Yehudah during the day of their destruction, nor should you have spoken proudly during the day of distress. You should not have entered into the gate of my people during the day of their calamity. Surely you should not have looked upon their affliction during the day of their calamity, nor have laid hands upon their substance in the day of their calamity. Nor should you have stood in the crossway to cut off those of him who escaped. Nor should you have delivered up those of him who remained in the day of his distress. For the day of Yahweh is near upon all the nations. Like you have done, it will be done to you. Your reward will return upon your own head. For as you have drunk upon my holy mountain, so too all the nations will drink continually. Indeed, they will drink, and they will swallow down, and they will be as if they had never existed. But there will be deliverance and holiness upon Mount Zion, and the house of Jacob will possess their possessions. And the house of Jacob will be a fire, and the house of Yusuf a flame, and the house of Husheo a stubble. And they will kindle in them, and devour them, and there will not be any remaining of the house of Husheo, for Yahweh has spoken it. And those of the south will possess the mount of Husheo, and those of the plain the Pelishtim, and they will possess the fields of Ephraim, and the fields of Shamarun, and Benjamin will possess Gilead. And the captives of the host of the children of Yisrael will possess that of the Canaani, and the captives of Yerushalayim who are in Sepharad will possess the cities of the south. The survivors will come up to Mount Zion to judge the mount of Husheo, and the kingdom will belong to Yahweh. The end. Thank you for listening to my interpretation of Obadjehu, Obadiah. I hope that you find my Bible series, Khureb BeRuakh, Sword of the Spirit, enlightening. The word of Yahweh is a treasure trove of mysteries. It's amazing what you'll discover when you read it with your eyes open. My name is Wendy, and you've been called out of darkness